Welcome to my channel. How to scan documents using any Brother printer. Step 1. Turn on your Brother printer. Make sure your Brother printer is powered on and connected to your computer or Wi-Fi network. Wait until the printer is ready. Step 2. Prepare your document. Remove any staples or paper clips. Place the document neatly in the scanner glass or the automatic document feeder, ADF, if your printer has one. Step 3. Open the scanner lid. If using the glass, lift the scanner lid and place the document face down on the glass. Align it with the corner guide marks, then close the lid gently. Step 4. Launch Brother Scan software. Open Brother iPrint Scan, Control Center 4, or your computer's built-in scanning app, such as Windows Scan or Image Capture on Mac. Step 5. Select your Brother printer. Choose your Brother printer from the list of available devices if it isn't selected automatically. Step 6. Choose your scan settings. Select your preferred settings, such as color or black-white, file type, PDF or JPEG, resolution. 300 dpi is recommended for most documents. Step 7. Preview the scan, optional. Click Preview to check that the document is aligned correctly and adjust the scan area if needed. Step 8. Start scanning. Click the Scan button. The printer will scan your document and send it to your computer. Step 9. Save your scanned file. Choose a folder, give the file a name, and save it in your preferred format, such as PDF or JPEG. Step 10. Review your scan. Open the saved file to make sure it is clear and complete. If needed, adjust the settings and scan again for better quality. Thanks for watching.